Hey guys, it's ScorpioFlips, and today I'm going to be trying the Blindfolded Slime Challenge. So, I have like all the ingredients mixed around, so I don't know where anything is. So let's start. I need some glue.
You were just touching the glue with that part. And then you went over and grabbed the other one. Go ahead. Yeah, guys, Scorpio775 here. Assisting.
Is this good?
No, stop! Stop! You put a little too much.
Now I'm gonna add color. Let's do the paint.
How do you know where everything else is?
Because you didn't move the paint, I think.
She's on me.
Run. What color is this?
Purple. Kidding, it's not purple.
Now I have to add the other ingredients. I'm gonna add some clear glue for glossiness.
Here, I'll assist you.
Is that good?
Oh, yeah. No.
What?
Put a little more.
Is that good?
That's good.
I didn't spill. Oh! Whoops. Oh.
You actually messed up everything.
And where's the spoon? There it is. Now I have to add the slime activator. So, this is baking soda. Wait, we need water!
She does this all day, every day, so she's not cheating.
Ah! Did I add too much? I hate jiggly slime.
I don't know, I didn't see. I was too busy showing them out. How you tied this?
Okay, then you add the baking soda.
Can I show Toby? Our cat.
Did I add too much?
No, that's good. That's too little. I think. I don't know.
Now we need contact lens solution. Did you even put it out here?
What out here?
The contact lens solution.
Yeah, I did.
What?
Warmer. Warmer, hot.
There it is! Okay.
Guys, I didn't want to do this. She forced me. Help me. I'm imprisoned. You guys have to free me. Break me out of this mess.
I'm so excited to see what color I made.
Yeah, you kind of put like two kinds of... The thing you have now is like a big color thing. So you just put in a bunch of yellow.
What? Don't tell me.
Kidding.
Why is it not working? Here, I'm gonna add baking soda.
You do that.
Dang it, I think I added a lot.
Don't touch it.
Is it coming?
Yep. You added like so little amounts of baking soda total.
I think I feel it getting stiffer. I'm really excited to see how this works.
How this turns out, you mean?
Oh yeah. This is getting hard to mix.
The camera's on top of your head.
Hey.
GoPro. GoPro at its finest.
Okay, I'm gonna start kneading it after I mix this in. Okay, now only show the bowl, okay? Only show the bowl.
Yep.
Hey, I like the texture of
So
this.
should I put the camera inside the bowl?
No, just only show it. Okay. Now I'm gonna take off my blindfold.
Yep.
Don't show me. Whoa, wait! Hey, this isn't bad! I need more.
Can I stop this one?
Whoa! So here's the slime. And I actually like it, so. I made a lot of slime.
Take it out.
Okay.
Are we done now?
I have to do some ASMR. So, it's kind of sticky, but that's cool. Get off of me. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed this video. And comment down below what other videos you would like to see me make next. So, bye!